Hi friends, welcome back to our channel Miyarish. In today's video, let's see a eyeshadow hack which can be easily made using a beauty blender to apply dual colored eyeshadow directly onto our lids. So without any delay, let's get into the video. So for today's eyeshadow look, I've chosen this golden color for the inner shade and this pink color which matches my dress for the outer area of my lids. So I'm using the Makeup Revolution Reloaded Red Alert palette for creating this look. So first let's dip the end of the beauty blender into the golden shade and the middle part of the beauty blender on the pink shade. You can also apply the golden color separately using the blender, and then you can apply the pink shade separately using the blender. But for today's hack, I'm going to use both, and let's see how it appears on the lid. The results are really amazing and I just really love this look. Believe me guys, this eyeshadow look appeared so good and so beautiful on my lids on real than on camera screen. I really love this look. It's a must try hack guys, so I would recommend anyone to definitely try this hack. I want my eyeshadow look to be more prominent, so I completed my look by applying a thin layer of eyeliner. So I will leave all the links of the products which I have used here in the description section below. You can definitely check them out. So finally I blended the eyeshadow with a soft eyeshadow blending brush in order to just avoid if there is any harshness of the color on my lids. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this hack guys. So guys, if you are new here, then please consider subscribing to our channel and click that thumbs up button and leave your comments in the comment section below, and also share the video to someone who finds this useful. Thank you.